this has actually happened here in the county. This is a multi-layered problem the county leaders are working now to address that's led us to this point. And where we are right now, they're calling a public health crisis. There is a nationwide shortage of emergency medical technicians, or EMTs, but that's just part of the problem here in Jefferson County.
There are places in Jefferson County, there are citizens in Jefferson County who may call 911 and have to be told there's no one to send to your emergency.
Even if you get help, you may have to wait hours for that help to arrive. The pandemic is at least partially blamed for the EMT shortage. It also caused the supply chain issues that have created a shortage of ambulances and other emergency vehicles.
We can't buy ambulances because there's a shortage of chips, and they don't make chassis for ambulances right now. We've had 2 trucks ordered for the city. They've been ordered for 18 months.
On top of that, because many hospitals are close to capacity, once an ambulance arrives there with a patient, they have to wait with that patient until a room opens up for them. So the EMTs and the ambulance aren't available to respond to other 911 calls.
They have to go back on the ambulance with the patient, and they have to stay until they turned over to the hospital, which is what they call wall time. And sometimes that's an additional 4 or 5 hours.
So just hire more EMTs for the fire departments. Well, that's not as simple as it sounds. In Alabama, even if you only want those EMTs to answer medical calls and take patients to the hospital, by law, they must be actual firefighters.
They would have to go take the full physical ability test and go to firefighter recruit school and have to qualify and certify as a firefighter.
Now, as far as those private ambulance services go, those EMTs do not have to be certified as firefighters, but they do work for profit companies. And so unless they have a contract with a certain area that guarantees they'll make some money, it's very difficult to attract them to those areas, and they're certainly not obligated to respond to any call. Now, another big issue, there are 14 different emergency call centers in the county. Many have incompatible call system, so they can't easily transfer a call from one jurisdiction to another. In most counties in Alabama, there's actually one call center for the entire county. So you can see finding an easy, quick fix for this situation is going to be pretty difficult. Coming up at 6:30, we're going to talk about possible solutions and how the county commission is working to try to get a handle on this problem and get people the help they need when they need it. Sherry, Guy, back to you.